Hello, Buddy Boos. Today I got well no, yesterday I got this vinyl Animal Collective Strawberry Jam. Anyways, this is the front, the side, back. You open it up. I guess. Okay. And let me get the records out. Okay. Has a little cool little case, you know. Anyways, it's the record. Also, one thing, if you notice that the little hole thing is right there. I don't know. I think it's one of the more creative packaging things I've seen for records. Basically, I think it's just supposed to look like it's stirring, like the little thing. I'll probably give you an example near the end of the video. So, all right. But I can't guarantee it. I may forget. I'm sorry. All right, hold on. Yeah, in there. Oh yeah, in there. All right, there we go. Okay, now anyways, this is the other record. And then comes a little download code. This is the other record, so. Same thing for this one. I'll give you an example of what it's supposed to look like near the end of the video. So keep your calm. Bing, 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 bing. Also gonna have a little download. There it is. I'm not gonna use it, so if you want to use the download code, go ahead. So I already have the album on my phone. Okay, I think I'll give you an example of what it looks like. See, it looks like it's stirring pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, you get the point. Alright. Go. The end.